So for expats who are approaching retirement age and thinking about their Social Security benefits, what are some steps they can take to prepare to maximize those benefits?
Well, the steps that they take are basically the same as people living in the States, with one additional consideration. And that's if you're living in a foreign country, you're probably not incurring living expenses in US dollars. So you have to consider that foreign exchange rate differential. It could swing quite a bit in your favor or against your favor. So what I generally recommend is make sure you have a nice cushion saved up in your local currency, maybe 6 months or so, just to help with any of these potential big swings in currency exchange rates. There are things that expats or anyone else can do to help plan for Social Security. So the biggest issue is, when do you take Social Security? So you can start taking it when you're 62 all the way to age 70. And one of the main considerations is whether you take it now or whether you wait a year or two or you wait until you're 70.
Because the benefits of waiting means that the monthly payment goes up, right?
Yes, exactly. So if you wait, obviously you're not getting that money now, the use of it. But in general, every year you wait, you get 8% more. There are some considerations into that. Do you have other income that you can live off of? Do you need that income currently? It's good to speak with someone at the Social Security Administration to get some of that information. So first of all, how do you qualify to get Social Security benefits? To qualify, you need to get 40 credits in total. You can earn 1 credit per quarter, so that's a maximum of 4 credits per year, and it's based on a minimum amount of income. And that's whether you're working as an employee or you're self-employed and you're paying that self-employment tax. So what if you're a little bit shy of that 40 credits and you're living overseas? Well, you still might be able to get benefits if the country that you're living in has what's called a totalization agreement. So totalization agreements are all concerning Social Security or the foreign equivalent of Social Security. So let's say you're paying into one system, you can actually transfer those credits and apply them to US Social Security. Now, when you do have foreign Social Security, you of course have to report that on your US income tax return. You have to report all of your worldwide income, no matter what the source is. You don't have to report the value of that Social Security generally on an FBAR, that's FinCEN Report 114, or on a FATCA report, that's IRS Form 8938. You definitely want to talk to a tax professional about that. Make sure you get all of the retirement and Social Security benefits that you've earned to help you enjoy your retirement and live a happy life.